Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming the phone is in safe charging mode and not in low power. Look for a message on the lock screen or a shield icon near the battery indicator. Record the device model and Android version for troubleshooting steps and possible firmware notes. Also check the charger label for output in watts and volts so you can compare actual performance. If the phone shows a USB accessory blocked prompt, write down the exact wording for searches. This initial identification prevents unnecessary resets and wasted time. Begin with simple fixes that resolve most safe charging mode issues quickly. Restart the phone by holding the power button for 10 seconds and then letting it fully reboot. Swap to a known good USB cable and a charger with labeled output, for example 18W or 5V/3A, to rule out faulty accessories. Inspect the device charging port under bright light and remove lint carefully with a wooden or plastic toothpick. Also try charging from a wall outlet instead of a computer USB port to isolate the source. If basic fixes fail, proceed with advanced troubleshooting techniques that preserve data. Check for and install the latest firmware in settings under system updates, then restart the phone to apply changes. Clear the charging-related cache partition if your device supports it, following manufacturer instructions and using a recovery menu. If problems persist, back up data and perform a safe factory reset to eliminate software corruption. Finally, contact authorized service for battery replacement or hardware repair if the phone still shows restricted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.